Welcome back to Happily Ever Hanks, your main source for cliffhangers. In this week's episode, we learned a valuable lesson. Not all RV tips are good ones. We were in no way mentally prepared to be here, but nonetheless, that is the way RV life goes a lot of the time. Strap in, we're taking you for another wild ride.
You guys will never guess where we are right now. We're at RV1, and you guys might be wondering what we're doing here. Well, surprise! Isn't this exciting? Our black tank valve completely bent in half. So, yeah.
It broke it.
It broke it hardcore. I went to push it back in and close the black tank valve when I was done dumping it all, and the rod just completely bent in half.
Well, you guys remember a couple videos ago, we were saying how it was becoming harder to open and close the valve. A little bit of foreshadowing, that was.
Yeah, and did the Hanks address it when it needed to be addressed? We certainly did not.
Well, we did the oil trick and we cleaned it, like we put some soap down there and did all the online remedies, but I guess over time, that just gets more and more stuck. So 2 days ago, there we were in the pass-through storage again. Playing around, having fun. It's like a playground, jungle gym in there for us.
It's my home away from home, to be honest. When Nene gets sick of Carl, she sends me to the pass-through storage.
Oh, it's like your man cave.
We are so familiar with it. If you guys have no idea who we are, what kind of content we're bringing, trust us. We've been through like every hurdle so far. Maybe not everyone, but we've had a lot of content on there that you're gonna want to catch up. So go watch all that, then come back here and join us for this, because here we go again. That's all I have to say.
So to kind of give you context of what actually broke, we thought it was just the cable system, because the way these black tanks work is when you pull that valve, it pulls an entire cable which is connected to the actual valve to that tank. And they're all the same, but the black tank was the one that was giving us problems. We went through, messed with the cable, we cut it, we tried to manually pull it at the source to see if it would open the valve, the gate valve.
Yeah.
Still stuck.
Still stuck. So it's all gunked up. So we need to completely replace the black valve system. Ever since this happened, we have been unable to use the black tank.
Yeah.
So this really is a sucky situation.
Let us tell you how we ended up here in such a quick amount of time. Our friend Matt from Matt's RV Reviews called us yesterday just so we can catch up and see what's going on, and he caught us in conversation when this was all happening.
Everything's backed up.
Yeah. And Matt felt very sorry for us.
Yeah.
He's like, I feel sorry. I pity you guys.
I know. He was like, dang. He's like, well, have you guys heard of RV1? They're awesome. Maybe they can get you in. And we were like, oh my gosh, I forgot about RV1, because we were trying to reach out to Mobile Techs.
Yes.
So we got in contact with them, and they were awesome. They squeezed us in the next day, which is today. They were like, can you come in for 9 a.m.? We'll get it taken care of. And I was like,
what?
I was like, so definitely go check out Matt from Matt's RV Reviews, because he's killing it out there, guys. He does all these RV tours, and his videos are really great because he picks 3 things he loves out there with the RV, that specific model, and 3 things he doesn't agree with. So it gives you a nice overall clean, objective view on each walkthrough, which is really cool.
Also, another reason we were able to get in so speedy, we already purchased the part out of pocket ourselves. We knew what part we needed, because that is the trouble. Sometimes it's not getting the appointments on service, it's getting the parts in time. So we knew exactly what part we needed, and we found it at a local RV store.
And big shout out to RV1. If you guys are listening in there, are you guys listening to us in there? RV1, thank you so much for getting us in. I don't know how you did it, but Hanks, really appreciate you guys, because you saved us from the crappy situation that would have been happening for, who knows, maybe even weeks. So you guys might be wondering, what had we done in this situation if we were unable to get in here? Well, we have an external valve that we've been using on the actual tank system. It's like a Volterra, like you open and close it. It kind of helps keep the mess to a minimum when you're actually dumping your tanks, because you can hook up your sewer hose and then pull the like the valve itself on the external source there, and then it keeps it all nice and clean. Well, we made that valve on the external outside our new black tank valve.
So what do you do when you have a fur baby and you're going in for service? This is what you do.
Are you happy back there, Stinker?
Gotta take the kids everywhere, right?
Gotta bring the kids, which I gotta get some work done while we're sitting here.
Ooh, some editing.
Yeah, I gotta get some editing done while we're here. I brought the laptop with. The new video comes out tomorrow. And I'm on a time crunch. And of course, this is all gonna happen while it's during our editing days.
I know,
that's
but
the
at
way
least
the cookie crumbles.
Hey, this weekend we'll get like a day or two off, and we'll have a black tank that works, hopefully. Fingers crossed that they can actually get the repair done. It might not work out. You never know. There's bumps in the road no matter what route you go, so we'll see what they say. We're gonna be here for a couple hours, but it's nice that we can get it done.
For sure. Remember guys, when you get out here on the road, you have to be your own advocate. When things go down south, which they will, make sure you're being your own advocate by trying to just diagnose it. Take a look at it. You have to learn on the go. We're not HVAC technicians or plumbers or electricians. The park ranger said he's on his way, but
Who knows how long that could be.
we have no idea how long that's gonna take, so. But Renee and I have learned a lot ourselves by just trying to figure it out. So do the best you can, and then research as much as you can, and then find these places to back you up, and then make it all come together. That's what I'm talking about. Please don't bother me. I gotta get some editing done. Okay, I'm back at it. This is what the editing process looks like. Hashtag happily ever Hanks.
Sorry it took me so long. I broke their machine,
No, you didn't.
and I was helping her fix it. We put it all back together, and it's good.
We just got done telling people that when you experience these hurdles, you take on the project yourself and then reach out to the professionals.
Because she felt bad that I was in there helping her, and I was like, oh no, this is more fun than sitting in the truck and watching my husband edit all day. So we took that thing apart and put it back together.
Oh
It's
my
like
gosh.
a machine that makes lattes, cappuccinos,
Is
coffees.
it free?
It's complimentary,
What?
yes, because we're getting, I made you a vanilla latte.
Thank you so much.
It's your perfect temperature.
Yeah, that's perfect. That is hot. I like my coffee hot.
You like it scalding to the face.
Okay, let's not go crazy here.
I told her in there, if the machine breaks again, I'll be right out here in the white truck. Do you think while I'm sitting here, I could help them drop some underbellies?
You know they would be all for that.
Like I'm just gonna go in there and be like, Nene's here. What needs to be done? Let's get it done.
Show them how to drop it on your face like you always do.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, she's on a mission. How you making out there? Yeah, it's coming down.
Oh, it's gonna leak on me.
You look so concerned. Look at that face.
Oh no. Actually, it just.
Perfect, hon.
I'll be like, let's start repairing some stuff. I just go and drop every underbelly, even though that's not what they're here for. And it's like, and they all hit me in the face, like down the line, each underbelly.
Yep.
You love
That's
me.
Nene.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Okay, so come inside. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll be right there. All right. Bye. It's done. They got it done in the 2 hours, and they said they tested it, and it's great. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting.
Yeah. All right, we
Yes.
can go home.
Oh my gosh.
Well, literally, we're gonna go to our home because our home's in the shop.
Wow.
So
We
exciting.
were just getting settled here, right? We had our lattes. Dexy is enjoying the fresh air, and we get to get our home back.
I was just getting in the groove, you know what I mean? Getting that editing on. Oh yeah. All right, let's head home. Let's go home.
Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna go inside and take care of signing and paying, and then I'll meet you out back, I guess.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll whip
Can
her
I do
around. I'll have Dexter drive and meet you in the back.
I guess I can walk. Yeah, you just go around back. Don't wait for me.
You guess you can walk? It's literally like right there. You just keep doing you, boo. All right, we'll kind of shove her in there for now. You ready to go home, buddy? Let's go home. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to let her rip again. Oh yeah, that's the way the Hanks do it. Woo! All aboard, next stop, Dex Man. Home sweet home. Look at, we're home already, Dexy. All right, buddy. We can let her rip again. Rip. What do you think? Oh,
Okay.
you ready to let her rip again?
Yeah.
Look at no hole. This is actually, oh my goodness. Should we test it?
Well, they did already.
Does anyone truly know how to let her rip better than Carl?
I guess we can pull it because it's like
Do you
the
think it's,
Valterra shut.
you think it's full?
I don't think anybody let it rip inside.
This is that Valterra I was talking about here. So we were using this as the external black tank system here, closing all the gray tanks and just letting it flow here, keeping this closed. And then when we were ready to dump the black tank, we would have just pulled that, and then that would have just became the new black tank valve. You want to give it a whirl? You want to let her rip?
Should I pull it?
Carl's wife,
Wait,
you
what
should
if
let
it
her
starts
rip.
pouring out? Like, what could be in there? Nothing, right?
Nothing.
Okay, ready?
Go for it. I want to make sure it's smooth. Are you pulling?
Yeah, but I'm nervous. Oh, wow.
Is it easy?
That was really easy.
Okay, push it back in.
Wow.
Oh, good. All right, I want to give it a go around.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. I can do it with my pinky.
Oh, wow.
She hasn't ripped that easy in a long time, let me tell you. Carl's a happy man now. Good.
Yeah.
Let's go home.
RV1 rocks.
RV1. So yeah, check them out if you ever are in a pickle. They might be able to help you out. All right, I'll let you hook up, and then I'm gonna sit in the AC, and then we're good to go.
Okay.